Hi y'all, this is K1 Locks. I just picked this Dexter Schlage for a second time. Let's see if I can't get it again here on film this time. So, of course, I like throwing my tension wrenches around. Let's see if I can't get this thing. So, you know, it never fails. You sit around, practice. See what you can do with the camera off. And what happens? Oh, hey, there we go. I got her. So, this is a Dexter by Schlage. Wow. I got that one. I'm pretty stoked about that shit. This is K1 Locks saying have a great evening. Stay safe and stay legal. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Took me such a short period of time, I just figured I'd come back and make an addendum to this lock. So let's take this bad dog apart. I love taking these things apart. So, of course, this may or may not be one of the ones that this shit doesn't work on. It doesn't work on a lot of these for some reason. There's that. And there's that. And the spring doesn't want to come out. Oh, there it is. You little prick. Alright, so there's those. And, let's see how. There's that. Now, these are probably going to be all standards, just warning you. Standard. Oh. I'll have to find that one in a minute here. There's 4 standard. And there's 5 standard. Give me just a minute. I'm going to hit pause here real quick and find that last pin. Give me a sec. Okay, so I found the last pin. There you go. So, like I said, they all are standard. I'll show you. At this point, I don't really have any new pins I can put in it to make it a better lock, but as you can see, this is a Dexter by Schlage. They kind of weak ass shit, really. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and stay legal, y'all. This is K1 Locks. Here's another addendum to the Dexter by Schlage. I just worked on the first 3 pins there, and we're gonna put this sucker back together and see what turns out. So thank you again for sticking with me on this. I appreciate it. This is K1 Locks. Stay safe and stay legal.